The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is designed to deliver a strong performance and feature set at an attractive price. Here are some of its key specifications. Display size approximately 6.67 inches. Type AMOLED. Resolution Full HD plus 2400 by 1080 pixels. Refresh rate 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gaming processor. Chipset Qualcomm SM7635 Snapdragon 7 S Gen 3 4nm for efficient performance and good power management. Camera system main camera, high resolution primary sensor, AG 108 megapixels. Additional sensors for ultra-wide, macro, or depth sensing front camera, typically around 16 megapixels or more for good selfies and video calls. Battery capacity around 6200 milliamp hours. Charging, fast charging support 90 watts, enabling quick top-ups. Storage and RAM. Options generally range from 6 GB to 12 GB. Storage, variants available from 128 GB to 256 GB, often with expandable storage via microSD. Software operating system, MIUI based on Android, offering customization and various features. Connectivity 5G support for faster network speeds where available. Other features, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1 or later, and more. Additional features, fingerprint sensor, usually integrated under the display or on the side. Audio, stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Overall, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is aimed at users who want high-end features without the flagship price, making it a great choice for photography enthusiasts and gamers alike. If you have any specific features or comparisons in mind, feel free to ask.